Good morning. We are looking to the north, and you could see those low clouds hanging around here in the valley. Quiet conditions to start off our morning this morning, which is good. We had some rain, even some thunderstorms rumbling through parts of the valley last night. Well, today, quieter and colder too. So kind of a break in between systems here. And we've got a big one threatening parts of the valley and certainly the upper Midwest here. And this is for tomorrow and into Thursday. We now have some of our viewing area included in some of the alerts for this. So this is new as of this morning. So in pink, a blizzard warning. That includes Traverse County, Roberts County, and Marshall County in South Dakota in our viewing area and points southward. We're looking at some heavy snow and some intense winds with this. So a bad combination there. And then a winter storm watch in surrounding areas in blue. And that includes more of our southern viewing area from Sargent County through the Wahpeton Breckenridge area, Fergus Falls, back over to Wadena, Park Rapids, all included in this as well. And we could see that upgraded as this system nears and develops and moves into the region. It'll give us a better idea of just how far north it's going to track. So we'll talk about that more coming up in just a little bit, but we want to focus on what's happening right now. As you're stepping out the door in some areas, your visibility is very low or you don't have any visibility. We're looking at 0 in Fergus Falls and Valley City and back over to Carrington. So we've got some dense fog to start off our day today and some pockets in the valley that's going to create some hazards for you. Up in the north, we've got some wind coming in, some strong gusts up to the low 20s in the northern valley coming in out of the north there. And that's where temperatures are a little colder. We're below freezing there, slowing things down just a little bit. We're into the 20s to about 30 degrees. Southern Valley warmer into the upper 30s to about 40. It's 37 degrees currently in Fargo. So again, it's a quiet morning. We've got some low-level cloud cover that the infrared satellite doesn't see very well, but it's out there. We just saw it on our sky cam. You could see some higher clouds pressing in, a part of a system that's got some rain with it in South Dakota, western parts of North Dakota, and that may threaten a couple of our areas in the viewing area coming up for later on today. So this is 9 a.m. in your hour-by-hour planner. We're looking at temperatures rising, but won't be nearly as warm as we were the last couple of days. We've got wind coming in out of the north, some gusts into the 20s. And in addition to that, we're looking at some potential for a few raindrops into the afternoon. This will be right along the South Dakota border. The rest of us looking pretty quiet. In fact, we may get some sunshine in there. Temperatures, though, ranging from around the freezing mark up north to some low 40s in the south. So much cooler. In fact, a good 20 degrees cooler. You'll want that jacket again today. Heading into tonight, temperatures back into the 30s for everyone. The wind still a bit brisk, maybe not as strong as the daytime hours today. And then heading into tomorrow, we start to see some hints of that next system. This is 7 a.m. You can see that we've got a few snow showers trying to threaten the South Dakota area of our viewing area. But other than that, still looking pretty quiet for us. So we're going to look ahead in time here through Wednesday. Not a great shot of snow, not until we get into the later part of the day and until we head into Thursday. So this is overnight Wednesday night and into Thursday. You could see the snow starting to come in, the wind starting to pick up. And if, again, the system moves far enough northward, we're looking at our Southern Valley viewing area getting that snow continuing during the day on Thursday. And this could add up. Unfortunately, for those of us who don't want to see it, this is a consensus here. This is one model run, but most of our models are indicating this type of scenario where we're looking at a couple of inches of snow perhaps for Fargo and then higher amounts to the south with some strong winds as well. So watch out for ice jams in the Northern Valley. That's in the Grand Forks area where that picture comes from. And again, a big storm system affecting us probably not until Thursday in the valley and continuing into early Friday. And again, it's not going to be welcome. But the good thing here is the heavy snow, if it does impact us, it'll be the Southern Valley where the rivers are already going down. Will be ongoing in the flood fight, of course, throughout the valley, but it will be getting worse up north at that point.
Thank you, Lisa.
Attention dads, if you're looking for a fun way to bond with your daughter, then stick around. Just ahead, we get a preview of NDSU's Dads and Daughters Do Science event.